Morning. So here we are on the side of the road, and behind me is the fall. So it's very beautiful fall. And today, for now, in the morning, we're planning to take a few pictures and then moving forward to see more amazing views. Come along. We stopped on one of the 1,000 random spots and we saw the falls, and actually we noticed that is the tunnel under the falls, but we checked the map and we saw the next road nearby the water, so we will try to go a different way, in different road that is next by the waters. So I saw the road, but it's closed, so yeah, we couldn't go nearby, we go under the fall. This tunnel is 3.2 kilometers long, and actually we decided to go back and check the old road, yeah, because we wanted, because it's very interesting, so yeah. This is the closest roads, and we're going to check the falls. And yeah, it looks very interesting, the road, but we're going to check the fall, where it's going, under the road or where, because from top it looks like this. We checked one fall, and right now we're going to check another one, because from other side we saw the two of them. Whoa, you look at that. Whoa. I wonder where the water goes. Oh. So we checked the falls and we're moving forward. We just stopped for dinner, and when it's cooking, I decided to go get down nearby sea and take some shots. The rain is coming from that side, so I move a little bit further. Actually, we're heading straight forward into the storm. The mountains in the clouds, looks amazing, amazing. And it's still raining. Road, which looks like the asphalt, but actually is the dirt road because of its color. And we decided to drive this road because you can drive around this mountain in two different roads, this one and the freeway. We didn't want to drive in freeway, so we decided to drive in this road. It looks nice. Stopped at the random spot nearby road, and actually the view is amazing, and it's nearby the sea. Actually, I found very interesting building. It is sawmill and it's nearby fall, and that I will show you tomorrow, because right now I'm going for dinner and the rest. See ya.